Mema Achim TV for Ashafo na my father. I'm a pay. The assignment to Anamo Abba. Yeah, Konongo letter. Praise be sorry down. I assigned them a pass off as I be shared. Now, you be a pass of the good for more. I'm sorry, of course. Now your ma Ashafo and she say, yeah, praise be Konongo better. Modi atu trap papa e ma father papa ye di kan ye baby sase ene the second week sorry mo sha sorry ase na attendance no ene first week attendance no they compare to say
yo there are there say no ben so a dia be do me fa sa ko so atia ma hwefo no metie fu ni na masa Abomabaso, Modia, Moody, with respect to COVID-19 NHS service, the future model, my immunity team, the main sermon. Looking at the attendance, looks as if first day attendance is getting encouraging than the second week. First week, second session, we say Nipani Baby. But second week, now, we were anticipating, say, and can normal Nipano, Ebeba, Bibriasin. I say a Swatic crack. Who do any boy? When checking figures, me that I'm sure say Swatic a crack. But Nipa, and then was second service for Ghana. Last week, maybe also. But this week, if you are considered, it shows, it tells you, say, be Swatic. But Nipa no, a fear. So we are still encouraging them to come.
Papa, you toss me. You said the worker said numbers, this second week, Swati, a chance, first week, also said, now what you moon, Konongo force you now, case needy, in our COVID-19 case needy or Konongo Sintina. Ama numbers, no, about for him who are my numbers, never from Anna.
That me the Susu, me the no money, a possibly a bit me a pretty shortage. The one is you at all, it's your time, Martin. So some of us, I think, it's a beer and many panel and your margin so much better because it's your top. Secondly, so it's likely, so within the week, you say case if you are breaking out or anything any panel, Bobbing and Namnia, and also many people took a car. But as we did today, we encourage the people. So the young say, we correct PPEs, protocols, you will follow. Now, on more 65 and above, when you can solve any panel, you go so any more doing come. Say, a better and see. If you the third thing is last week we confessed your buy the mama buy, and we have to tell them it is wrong. Some man will say, no, so back on send a ma ain't me and mano, no thing young thing on ma. So my fool said last week, advice here, the man, with respect to a more frown, if you move your mobile, no money at City Honor, and also have played a part. Number they reduce because no more do mobile in no man. It tells you someone to me, yeah, and Kalani move here into no. Same Kalani to me, but almost what they so also will account for the reduction in the number.
Fire that's yeah. Now, your toss will be a bit, I said, your share first week in a chair. When we say sorry, the no maybe at the token, yeah, preventive measures, no maybe a bit messy, you are not quite say, amount for being a real COVID. Now, your share second week is you need to try no money piece of. Now, they say because I said this week, second week, a normal preventive measures, normal PPEs, a cost a change first week medium. And here because I said, and she said, Ben, I saw no as I said, some normal way now. Of course, I encourage you, I guess I give you. No matter my son, boys, I for man, said, obviously, fears as well. Obviously, my yes, preventive measures, no matter how to come. Let me out. Wow.
Okay. Apart from, thank you. Apart from the preventive measures now, protocols now here follow. One, the church has bought a lot of PPEs and this sanitizers need to be go. There's at any point that Obi in Kute Bikra, we are ready to give it out. And we set up even before church service time. Church service must begin at 7:30 per the protocols that you follow. And I hear as you say, it's by 6:30, paramedics, no, any ushers, no more stakeholders, and will not much assist we are so we are always alert. Send a bear, normal, no, secondly, so as so for the fresh members, no, we encourage them. The senior minister said he does a friend from giving income. So we encourage them, we tell them to put on the PPEs and observe the put. And let's say in my sermons, I was encouraging them, as I led the church, I was encouraging them to ensure say protocols, it is not only at the church premises, but in their homes and even at the market, especially at the market. For the market, I wish the MCs and the various stakeholders will step their foot down. It looks as if there is no leadership. Practically, it looks as if from our observation, as if this Konono municipality has no leadership. There is no one who is taking the bull by the horn with respect to ensuring, say, protocols are being observed at the marketplace. It is bad and appalling. The taxis, the truck, no one is interested in ensuring safety. So at the end of the day, where we are sorry, you allow churches, we are observing. But the person goes back to the market and it's a mess. The person sits in a taxi and it's a mess. The person sits in a truck and it's a mess. The person is walking on the street and it's a mess. But this same person will come to church. Church penalty enforce this. Outside the market, no one is enforcing it. No tax force, no military, no police, no anybody. And I think that is the challenge.
The question is good for I might do for and say, see a shot abano, president, Eddie Barbo, and I said, and then we could be able to up our point, so share face masks. Now, the Yabisana said, and some bear number catcher, my sorry, ma, and then a chim TV, a chef when I said, a bit much or moon cancer or move here if you move here up or measure more face mask.
Yo, Namia this year, the American said, President at the protocols that go from day one. From me, the COVID situation, the state of the COVID-19 in the country cannot be blamed to a president, but to ourselves. The president cannot, even as humans, we don't need the and can the papa money can say obi na be show. We have observed. The day she say go we yesremo. Mo fan she say yin adwuma. Baby a wo be ko biara. She will knows much. Winning me wo bi, winning the baby obi afa. When you are there because I trust my friend. You can't trust anybody. When it comes to it, PP is good protocols. I just said to you now. Young family, you yes, sir. A day, a better thing, and son of the next my team for my friend for any as a former 8 and say, young fat son of me, don't be stubborn. So, PP, face mask, sanitizer, wash your hand, do what you need to do. Now, help me to help you. Now you are really and spread hard. You make one.
Better at Chim TV at the first nurse. Say, might me, I share the program. I could see you. But I'm not. Now, what you send it, it doesn't Asia.